Hello traders, in this chapter we are going to learn about some important tools that we will use in our manual backtesting process. The first tool is the measure tool. The measure tool allows you to measure distances on the chart. It helps to determine both price and time intervals and ultimately enhance your precision in technical analysis, position sizing, etc. To access the measure tool, look for a ruler or measuring icon, often located in the toolbar. Some platforms also offer hotkey shortcuts for instant access, saving your valuable time. For example, on TradingView, we use the Shift button to quickly access the measure tool. This tool is available on platforms such as Zerodha Guide, Investing.com, TradingView, Fires, and many more. To use the tool, simply select the tool, left-click, and drag from one point to another on the chart. The tool will display the price changes in points and also show the time interval between these 2 points. Traders use this tool to quickly calculate retracements, extensions, the percentage change in a given period of time, or even to simplify position sizing. We are going to use this tool to quickly measure the P&L in our manual backtesting. The next tool that comes in handy for measuring risk reward is the position tool, also known as the risk reward tool. It has multiple features and primarily we use it to set the risk reward on our chart or to find the level as per the set risk reward target. You can find this tool in our tools section, and in most platforms, the name of the tool will show up as long position and short position. If we have a long trade, we will use the long position tool, and if we have a short trade, then we will use the short position tool. Now, let's assume we had a plan to buy at this level and place our